Today we're showing you a 2013 Kubota L5460 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air, has just over 1,000 hours on it. It's a very clean tractor, has the Kubota L5460 quick attach front loader to go with it. Has a skid steer hook up here for your bucket connection. Paint's in nice shape on the tractor, has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Looks like it was serviced at 995 hours. Doors on both sides of the cab, R4 tires, hydrostatic transmission, telescopic 3-point arms back here, stabilizer bars, top link is here. A nice clean tractor. Inside the cab it does have the air ride seat here for the operator. Tilt steering wheel, has the auto high-low here on the steering column, 3 ranges here to the side, and then your hydrostat pedal over there to the right, forward and reverse. Have your loader control, 3-point control, PTO, and hand throttle all to the right of the seat. Up top you've got climate controls, radio, wiper switches, that type of thing. The tractor engine will regen, but that does not require DEF. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We can also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding this unit or any of our other tractors on our yard, please feel free to contact us at maskedtractor.com.